house with me, please?
Russell, where the hell are we going?
He's down here. We'll be there in, just a minute. Trust me.